جہاں تک کہ آمین کہنے کا سلسلہ ہے، صحیح بخاری کی حدیث ہے کہ محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے کہا ہے کہ سورہ فاتحہ ختم ہونے کے بعد آمین زور سا کہیے، تو آمین زور سے کہنا صحیح چیز ہے۔
انہوں نے کہا کہ جب آپ نماز پڑھتے ہیں لاؤڈ نماز تو سورہ فاتحہ کے بعد آمین آہستہ سے بولو، لیکن جب میں پڑھتا ہوں صحیح بخاری میں کئی حدیث ہے جس میں لکھا ہوا کہ آمین زور کا بولو،
آمین بالجہر ہے،
بالجہر ہے، تو میں آمین زور کا بولتا ہوں۔ اسی لیے میں کہتا ہوں کہ میں 100% حنفی ہوں، کیونکہ امام ابو حنیفہ نے کہا کہ آپ کو کوئی بھی میرا فتویٰ ملے جو قرآن اور صحیح کے خلاف ہے، اس فتوے کو چھوڑ دو، تو میں نے فتوے کو چھوڑ دیا۔
He gives an example, Aameen bil Jahr, that you should say Aameen loudly. It's a hadith in Bukhari. So we will leave aside Abu Hanifa's call of saying Aameen silently and we will say Aameen loudly because it's in Bukhari. In this mas'ala of Aameen bil Jahr, Imam Bukhari has narrated hadith. But I will challenge Dr. Zakir Naik. Show me the word of saying loudly in Bukhari. He will fail to do so. Because in Bukhari, Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi, the hadith which he has narrated is only إِذَا قَالَ الْإِمَامُ وَلَضَّالِّينَ فَقُولُوا آمِينَ إِذَا أَمَّنَ الْإِمَامُ فَأَمِّنُوا. Now, إِذَا قَالَ الْإِمَامُ وَلَضَّالِّينَ فَقُولُوا آمِينَ. When Imam says وَلَضَّالِّينَ, say Ameen. Does that mean say loudly? Is there a word which says say loudly? No, it only says say. Now, it doesn't mean that you must say it loudly. You can say it quietly, faintly as well, silently. I give an example here. Just a few chapters after this, Imam Bukhari goes on to say, another hadith narrates, إِذَا قَالَ الْإِمَامُ سَمِيَ اللَّهُ لِمَنْ حَمِدَ فَقُولُوا رَبَّنَا وَلَكَ الْحَمْدُ. When Imam says سَمِيَ اللَّهُ لِمَنْ حَمِدَ, say رَبَّنَا لَكَ الْحَمْدُ. Are you going to say over here that the whole congregation has to say رَبَّنَا لَكَ الْحَمْدُ loudly? Nobody says that. So, from the word فَقُولُوا, say, you can't prove that say it loudly. So, Zakir Naik, he's saying that there are many ahadith in Bukhari which say you have to say Aameen loudly. He can't provide one single hadith which says say loudly. You will go into other ahadith, maybe Abu Dawud, Tirmidhi, Nasai, Sunan, where you will find the loves yajharu, kana yajharu bi Aameen, or jahara biha sawtahu, or rafa'a biha sawtahu. But you won't find rafa'a biha sawtahu or jahara bi Aameen in Bukhari. So, first of all, his argument of this type is wrong, and secondly, he's assuming that the Aimma had no knowledge of hadith. This is also wrong. They were imams, they had full knowledge of hadith. This is how he is being misled, and he is misleading other people by misquoting and not understanding the hadith. He says over there that I am a proper Hanafi. Because Abu Hanifa said, when Sahih Hadith, you find Sahih Hadith, then it's my mazhab. So I find this Sahih Hadith. Abu Hanifa said that follow it, so I am following that. I am 100% Hanafi, you are not 100% Hanafi. That's how he misleads people in there. No, my dear friends, you know when we come up to this subject, that Imam said, إِذَا صَحَّ الْحَدِيث فَهُوَ مَذْهَبِي. Okay, when will it be their mazhab? When you find a Sahih Hadith, it's my mazhab, when will it be their mazhab? When they did not know that hadith. If they knew that hadith, but still they did not use it, then there is some reason behind it. And Imam Abu Hanifa knew this hadith of Jahara biha sawtahu, and still he preferred the other hadith of Akhfa biha sawtahu, that he said it silently. Imam Abu Hanifa looked at the practice of the Sahaba Rizwanullah Majma'in. Similarly, Imam Malik as well, in this masla. Now over here we have to understand another thing as well. People think that because there are 4 mazahib, then in every masla there will be 4 different opinions. That's not the case. In many masail, all 4 imams' verdict is same. In some masail, 3 imams on one side and 1 imam on the other side. In some masail, 2 on one side, the other 2 on one side. In this masla, Imam Abu Hanifa, Imam Malik, they both say you have to say Aameen silently. And Imam Shafi, Imam Ahmad, they say you say Aameen loudly. Now this is masla ikhtilaf, difference of afzal and ghair afzal. More virtuous, less virtuous. Imam Abu Hanifa says it's more virtuous to say it silently, and it is allowed to say loudly. Imam Shafi, Imam Ahmad say more virtuous to say loudly, but they are allowed to say silently. So the difference of opinion among the ulama, because they had another hadith before them, that is why they gave the verdict that this is the hadith as well, follow this hadith. So you can't use this argument of إِذَا صَحَّ الْحَدِيث فَهُوَ مَذْهَبِي everywhere and say this is the Imam's mazhab. Who can tell you that whether Imam Sahib knew this hadith or not? Those who were immediately around Imam Sahib. Qazi Abu Yusuf, he will say that this hadith did not reach Imam Sahib. If we have received this hadith, we will give a verdict according to that hadith.